So this is my 2006 Chevy 1500 5-speed manual. Our plans for this. So it was for sale on the road a few days ago. Picked it up for 450 bucks. Yeah, so we're gonna paint the rims on it. I'll give you a little tour of the interior, right? This is manual, you know. We've got some cleaning up to do. I don't think Alden's a huge fan of it, honestly, but I think it's great. You know, it's got all kinds of room in the back for activities. I mean, like, you can put so much stuff in there. 8-foot bed. What else could you want?
Yeah.
Hey, don't look under there. Yeah, we don't look under there. Yeah, but like I was saying, you know, the interior is actually not that bad. I think we're gonna clean this up real good. Don't you think?
Yep.
Yeah, so this side of the truck rims aren't that bad, but then when we get to the other side over here, I mean, they're looking a little rough. So that's why we're gonna paint them up black.
That's why we're gonna cut the exhaust off.
No, we're not cutting the exhaust off.
Why not?
No, she's too nice for that.
See, I think nice trucks all have loud exhausts.
We can make a custom exhaust.
Yeah, you can make them.
Also needs a windshield. That's minor.
Yeah. Solo exhaust, buy a windshield.
So we got this paint here. We cleaned up the wheels a little bit. So we're gonna start spraying it on.
Two down, two to go.
All right, Levin just showed up with his power washer, so we're gonna clean this thing off.
We're gonna hit some rolls of the vehicles today. Yeah, the old Bandito behind us here. It's ready to rip. Takes about 450 to the block, or crank, I mean, not the block.
Jeez, bro. Yeah, so yesterday we painted up these rims. Looking pretty good. And we took some, I don't know, rhino line is it? And we did the, undercoat and stuff. And we did the sides of it. Still gotta do the fender flares. But she's looking pretty good. So we just found the window sticker in the glove box over here, and back in 2006. 19,515. And then these are the specs with it. It's really faded out.
So it's like 25 with all this stuff.
I don't know. 20 miles per gallon though. Look at that.
15. What? Probably.
Yeah. Well, it's probably. Yeah. I think it's a C. Can't tell.
City. Yeah, it's.
Yeah, city
City
15 and
miles
that's
per
and highway 20. So between 15 and 20.
Probably like 25.
Yeah, I think it's like 45 miles per gallon. I'm pretty sure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.